Nothing you learn for studying for the real estate exam is going to help you with what you're going to do when you actually do real estate. How many people of you heard that? Nothing you learn is applicable. It's all nonsense. I hate it when people say that. When you hear people say that, don't listen to them. It helps with nothing. What are they trying to get you to do? Put down the book and not study a single thing? How does that motivate you to do anything? Now, there is an argument made that some of the information you're going to learn will not come up in your day-to-day. But I could also make the argument that some of it will. For example, I don't want to work with a real estate agent who doesn't know what an exclusive right to sell listing is. That is on your real estate exam. I don't want to work with a real estate agent who doesn't know what an acre is. Can you imagine buying a massive piece of land and saying, how big is an acre? And they're like, I don't know. And they start Googling it. It's on the real estate exam, 42,560 square feet. And there's many other examples that I could go on and on with. There are many examples of things that you will study that will apply to what you're actually going to do. And there are things that may not as much. But at the end of the day, who cares? We could sit here and debate this back and forth. It doesn't matter. You need to pass the real estate exam. Unless you're complaining about the relevancy, it's going to go up to the state departments. They're going to make changes based upon your gripes and groans. You have to pass the real estate exam. So you might as well look for those things that are relevant, put it in context, and enjoy learning. You're going to have to do it anyway. And when you actually enjoy learning, who knows, maybe some of the stuff when you start practicing real estate will sound familiar to you. Wouldn't that be great? But at the end of the day, this real estate exam is a barrier to entry. If they don't have this real estate exam, imagine if everybody and their mother could just start selling real estate. There needs to be something, and you could argue this may not be the best thing, but it is something. Something that said that somebody who's serious wants to sell real estate. They sat down and went through this annoying process of studying for this annoying real estate exam so they could do what they want to do. It's something to show that people are serious about wanting to pursue a career. Some people pass it easily, some people not as much. But it shows that somebody has the discipline and the drive to get through this obstacle, as many people do not. And all the better. Aren't there a lot of real estate agents anyway? So don't you want an obstacle? That obstacle will create a barrier to entry so there's less people to flood the market with people who are not serious. You want to compete with other people, but you want to compete with people who are serious. You want to be in a business where people who want to be there are able to practice and make people's dreams come true with a new home or property, whatever it is they decide to do. So when you hear somebody say, what you learn in the real estate exam is not really what you're going to do, blah, blah, tell them, shh, beat it, don't talk to me again. Because in no way is that going to inspire you to move forward with your goals. Rather, talk to people who say, well, this is relevant. I did see something about this. Maybe focus on that if you want something that's a little more relevant what you actually do. But more importantly, get through this, so let's start working together.